Hello, soup lovers! Welcome to a world where comfort and creativity meet in your very own kitchen. There's truly nothing like a warm bowl of homemade soup. It's comfort in a pot, a hug in a bowl, and a celebration of simple ingredients coming together. Making soup at home fills your kitchen with amazing smells and memories. The gentle simmer, the aroma of fresh herbs and vegetables, and the anticipation as flavors meld together. It's a sensory experience that brings people together. You get to choose every veggie, every spice, and every little detail, making it your own masterpiece. Whether you love carrots, potatoes, or leafy greens, you're in charge of the flavors. It's a great way to use up leftover veggies. Less waste, more taste. Soup is the perfect dish for giving new life to those odds and ends in your fridge, turning them into something nourishing and delicious. All you need is a big pot, a sharp knife, and a bit of love. With just a few simple tools and a little patience, you can create something truly special from scratch. When you taste those layers of flavor you built yourself, you'll feel like a kitchen superstar. Each spoonful is a reminder of your creativity and care. Ready to join me? We're making a simple, hearty vegetable soup you'll want again and again. It's easy, satisfying, and perfect for sharing with family or friends. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll guide you every step. We'll chop, stir, and taste together, making sure you feel confident and inspired. So let's get our aprons on and make something amazing together. Cooking is always more fun when we do it side by side, sharing stories and laughter along the way. By the end, you'll have a delicious homemade soup to enjoy and maybe even a new favorite recipe to share. Let's get started. Let's gather our ingredients. This is the first and most crucial step in making a delicious soup. Fresh ingredients make all the difference, so take your time to pick the best ones. Great soup starts with great veggies. Look at these vibrant colors. They're not just beautiful, they're packed with nutrients and flavor. For our base, we need 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. This combination is known as mirepoix, a classic foundation for many soups and stews. Add 2 or 3 garlic cloves for a flavor punch. Garlic not only adds depth but also has numerous health benefits. Next, we have 2 potatoes, 2 cups of green beans, 1 cup of sweet corn, and 1 cup of peas. These veggies will add texture and heartiness to our soup. Frozen veggies work just fine. No need to stress if you don't have fresh ones. They're convenient and still nutritious. You'll also need 6 to 8 cups of vegetable broth and a tin of chopped tomatoes. These will form the liquid base of our soup, adding richness and depth. For seasoning, we'll use dried oregano, dried thyme, olive oil, salt, and pepper. These simple seasonings will enhance the natural flavors of our vegetables. Wash, peel, and chop all your veggies before you start. This prep work ensures that everything is ready to go when you begin cooking. Dice the potatoes, trim and chop the green beans, and mince the garlic. Precision in chopping ensures even cooking and a better texture in your soup. Having everything prepped makes cooking smooth and fun. This is called mise en place, a French term meaning everything in its place. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's get ready to cook. This is where the magic happens. Time to cook. We're about to build layers of flavor, one step at a time, to create a soup that's both comforting and delicious. Each ingredient has a role to play, and the order in which we add them makes all the difference. Start by heating a generous splash of olive oil in a big, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. The oil should shimmer but not smoke. This is the foundation for all the flavors to come. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery. This trio, known as a mirepoix, is the classic base for countless soups and stews. Sauté them gently, stirring often until they're soft and their aroma fills your kitchen. About 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic. Let it cook for just a minute, enough to release its fragrance but not so long that it burns. Then, add your diced potatoes and chopped tomatoes, stirring to coat them in the aromatic base. Sprinkle in dried oregano and thyme, or use fresh if you have them. These herbs add depth and a hint of earthiness. Stir well so the herbs are evenly distributed and start to infuse the vegetables. Let the herbs wake up and bloom in the heat for a couple of minutes. This step is key for unlocking their essential oils and boosting the overall flavor of your soup. Now pour in enough vegetable broth to just cover the veggies. The broth will bring everything together, helping the flavors meld as the soup cooks. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then immediately lower the heat to maintain a soft, steady simmer. This slow cooking process allows the vegetables to become tender and the flavors to deepen. Partially cover the pot with a lid, leaving a small gap for steam to escape. Let the soup simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. After simmering, check the potatoes. They should be fork tender, and the soup should look rich and inviting with all the flavors beautifully melded together. By now, your kitchen will smell absolutely incredible, filled with the scent of simmering vegetables and herbs. It's a sign that you're on the right track. Test a potato with a fork. If it slides in easily, you're ready for the next step. Take a moment to appreciate the transformation so far. Let's finish it off and bring this soup to life. 5 minutes before serving, stir in green beans, corn, and peas. This keeps them bright and crisp. Taste your soup. Add salt and pepper until the flavors pop. A squeeze of lemon juice at the end lifts everything. Stir in fresh parsley or basil for a burst of green flavor. For extra richness, toss in a Parmesan rind while simmering. Just remove it before serving. These little touches make your soup truly special. Adjust seasoning to your liking. That's it, your soup is ready to serve. Let's dish it up. You did it! Ladle your beautiful soup into bowls and breathe in the aroma. Enjoy it as is or top with sour cream, Parmesan, or crunchy croutons. Serve with crusty bread for dipping. Pure happiness. Feel free to add mushrooms, bell peppers, or leafy greens. Make it heartier with pasta, rice, or beans. Soup is all about creativity. Make it your own. Share with family, friends, or neighbors. A homemade meal is a gift of warmth and care. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. Happy cooking and even happier eating.